up, gentlemen. So there are certain things that we do that we know make us less attractive, like smoking, being mean to animals, and rocking a monster man bush. But unfortunately, there's some other things that we're doing unbeknownst to us that is making us less attractive. Gentlemen, today I'm going over 7 unattractive things we don't even know we're doing. The first unattractive thing we don't even know we're doing is being a bad tipper. All right, gentlemen, let's be honest. Are you a good tipper? Are you an average tipper? Or are you a cheap ass? If you are tipping under 15%, in my opinion, this makes you a cheap ass. This also makes you less attractive in the eyes of not only the server, but the spicy scene at pretty much everybody. Personally, 20%. Even when I was broke as shit, 20% was the number that I used. The reason is because it was easy math. And it's also letting the person know, yo, I appreciate your help, I appreciate your service. But that's their job. They get paid to wait on me. Gentlemen, they get paid like shit. They rely on solid dudes like you, giving them a little financial knuckle bump at the end of a meal. The truth is that if they totally suck balls, now I'm not talking about the food comes out and it's wrong, it's not their fault, it's the restaurant. If they personally suck balls, like they call your date a slut or something like that, then I can see going 10%. But typically, 20% is the magic number I think makes you look attractive. The second thing that makes you unattractive and you don't even know you're doing it is being overly dramatic about everything. Everybody knows people that are just like, oh my god, like emotions are like super high, over the top, or super low. It's never like even, it's always amazing or it sucks, but they are so dramatic about every damn thing they do. Chill out. Now, I'm not saying to be monotone and never get excited or anything like that. If you are somebody who is always like, oh my god, the world is collapsing and I can't believe it. Exactly. That gets old, that gets ugly, and you are being viewed as less attractive. Number 3 is, hold on. Maybe it should... No. Indecisive. Gentlemen, if you cannot make up your mind, you can't make a decision. This is something that drives people absolutely nuts. And your spicy senorita is going to be like, yo, Brian, make up your damn mind. My wife actually yells at me about this because a lot of times I will overthink things. Hey, Brian, it's Brenda. I'm really excited about our date this weekend. Where are we going? Where do you want to go? Take your hand, grab yourself by the well-manscaped cojones, and make a decision. Here's the deal. It might not be the right decision. It might be the wrong one, to be completely honest, but at least you made a choice. There is nothing worse than being indecisive, because people that are typically indecisive are indecisive about everything. The fourth unattractive hang on. That's right. Where was I? Always fixing and primping and making sure they are always perfectly put together. Gentlemen, there is a fine line between looking good and wanting to look good and being too into yourself. Now, one of the biggest offenders of people that are constantly messing with their hair are dudes that are thinning or have a bald spot. They're always paranoid that it's showing, and so they're always looking and checking in reflective services. Gentlemen, stop the madness. Go see my boys over at Bosley, today's video sponsor, and the hair doctors. Gentlemen, here's the fact. Hair loss sucks. It is a bitch. It is a fact of life that the majority of us are going to have to face at some point in our life. But the worst thing you can do is try to hide it or camouflage it or stick your balding head in the sand. The sooner you stop being in denial and actually own and embrace the fact that you are thinning, you're balding, or you have lost your hair and you are tired of it and you want to do something about it, the sooner you can stop it or fix it. Gentlemen, here's the deal. There's a link down below to the complete guide to hair loss and hair restoration that is completely free. The guide is free. So if you are losing, you're thinning, you're worried about losing in the future, you've got to download this guide. I can help you answer questions and talk you through the process. Also, when you download it, you're going to get a free $250 Bosley gift card. This gift card can be used at any Bosley location if you go in, talk to a counselor, sit down and decide that you are going to get started on a treatment program. You can use that $250 gift card at Bosley. Bosley's got something for everybody at any stage of hair loss. Something recently I had them send me is the low-level laser therapy cap. This bad boy has been shown to help slow the rate of thinning. It's been FDA cleared. Wear this bad boy at home while you're chilling, watching Alpha M videos, 30 minutes every other day. Guys, here's the deal. Hit the link, download the guide, get the gift card. You think these gentlemen are happy they went to Bosley? Hell yeah, they are. They look amazing. The fifth unattractive unattractive thing that guys do that they don't even know they're doing is being a close talker. There's certain people that are just close talkers. Like, they get up on you and they are engaging, and you can almost like feel and smell their stink ass, hot ass breath. Gentlemen, here's the thing. You gotta back it up a little bit, because nobody likes talking to a space invader unless you're getting ready to get all super sexy with a spicy senorita. If you're not intending on making out with the person you're talking to, you need to keep a little bit of distance. In terms of an attractive distance, I would say an arm's length. You should be able to reach out and touch them. If you're this far away, it's a little bit too far. All right, if you're in here, that's too close. So, about like that. Speaking of touching, the 6th unattractive thing that you don't even know you're doing is being too clingy. Oh my God, I love you. Gentlemen, here's the thing. You gotta not be clingy. I get that you are into her. I get that you are super attractive and she is one spicy ass meatball. And Brenda, that's what it looks like. And that's what it feels like to somebody who's being clung to. You are coming across or being perceived as a clinger, then you're never gonna have a substantial long-term relationship, because nobody wants to get clung to, because you feel like you're getting the energy sucked from your body. Gentlemen, here's the thing. Give them space. Let it breathe, because that is what a good relationship does. And last but certainly not least, the 7th unattractive thing that we don't even know we're doing it is rockin' swamp ass. Swamp ass happens to the best of us. Swamp ass is when you're sitting, you get up, and you've got a line of sweat running up your crack. Gentlemen, this is unattractive. I hate to break it to you. Now, the unfortunate reality is that 9 times out of 10, we don't even know it's going on. You'll only spot it on somebody else and think, look at them. When the reality is you got the same damn thing. How do you keep the booty luscious and dry? You powder it. You're already powdering your nuts so you don't smell all stinky, funky, and musky, right? Well, while you're there, a little bit more up your butt crack. This is the best solution and way to eliminate the unsightly sign of swamp ass. Fact, you are more attractive than like 98.7.6.5% of dudes out there. The reason is because you are a subscriber. Thank you. Subscriber to the Alpha M YouTube channel. It is a byproduct, but unfortunately, even subscribers to the Alpha M YouTube channel sometimes do some unattractive things that we don't even know we're doing. But after today's video, we just gave 7 of them a death punch to the unattractive face.